Hey, amazing kids! Welcome to Zeey Quiz, your ultimate destination for fun quizzes and brain teasers. Today, we have an exciting challenge just for you. Find the odd one out, Animal Edition. Get ready to test your observation skills as you identify the animal that looks different in position or color from the rest, and see how many you can get right. Ready, set, go! Can you guess the odd one out? Correct, that's right. What's the odd one out? Yes, you got it. Recognize the odd one? That's right, well done. Have you found the odd one? Great job. Guess the odd one out. Correct, good guess. Can you spot the odd one? Yes, you did it. Any idea which is odd? That's right, excellent. Do you see the odd one? Great, nice job. Can you find the odd one? Correct, that's it. What's the odd one here? Yes, well done. Recognize the odd one out? That's right, good work. Can you guess the odd one? Great, you got it. Spot the odd one out. Correct, nice work. Do you see the odd one? Yes, excellent. Can you find the odd one? That's right, good job. What's the odd one here? Great, you did it. Recognize the odd one? Correct, well done. Can you guess the odd one? Yes, good job. What's the odd one out? That's right, you got it. Spot the odd one out. Great, nice work. Can you find the odd one? Correct, excellent. Recognize the odd one out? Yes, well done. Do you see the odd one? That's right, nice job. What's the odd one here? Great job. Can you guess the odd one? Correct. Good work. What's the odd one out? Yes, you did it. Spot the odd one out. That's right, good job. Can you find the odd one? Great, nice job. Recognize the odd one out? Correct, good guess. Do you see the odd one? Yes, you got it. What's the odd one here? That's right, well done. Can you guess the odd one? Great, you did it. What's the odd one out? Correct, nice work. Spot the odd one out. Yes, you did it. Can you find the odd one? That's right, good job. Recognize the odd one out? Great, well done. Do you see the odd one? Correct, nice job. What's the odd one here? Yes, good work. Can you guess the odd one? That's right, excellent. What's the odd one out? Great, nice work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like to our channel for more quizzes and fun videos.